Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It's a big guy that says fragile. And again, it's a big one. And it's from Sugar Muses. So this is going to be Midnight Muses because I already opened up the Sugar Muses Deluxe. This is March's. And it's taped really good, so I am trying to make sure I get all the tape loosened up before, there we go. I try to, oh, that's a baby. Ooh, it's definitely very tight. Let me see. All right. Ugh. Goodness, that's in there good. And this is what it looks like when you open it. So right on top we have our beautiful paperwork. And it's got a bunny on this one too, as you can see. And right on top we have purple color. We have 2 Book of Shadows, and they're like purple themes here. I'm just gonna move this so you guys can see. Each month everything changes. She matches everything to the theme that she does, from paper to bags to stuffing to fluff. Everything matches, which is extra beautiful care. So we have a beautiful purple bunny. Isn't that gorgeous with the mushrooms? I like this color purple. Really pretty. And then we have this Goddess of Spring. This one here, Goddess of Spring. We have these 2 beautiful Book of Shadows sheets. I'm gonna read this last. I'll put it up there. I'm gonna open the pretty, oh, right on top we have a big item right there. We have a black envelope here with the cute little bunny sticker. And in here we have, that's the back, it's like a mandolin. Ooh, this is upright position and reversed position. I got Queen of the Cups, it's black and white. And it has here, and then it has the elements and the zodiac. Very detailed. Cool. Alright, so right on the side we have, I don't know if it's broken. No, it's not broken, but it's in there good. We have a beautiful lilac color beeswax. Big candle. Oh, it smells so good. Whatever they put in this candle, it smells really beautiful. Alright, unfortunately we're going to have to do the big thing right away because it's right here. Our major item is this. What do I do with it? Gotta see what this is. Let's see. All right. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh my. All right. Oops. Look at this. We have an upside down skull with beautiful purple mushrooms all around. That is just beautiful. I mean, I don't know if it does anything, but it is beautiful. It might be just a beautiful piece. That is gorgeous, guys. I'm blown away on how pretty this is. Right there. That is amazing. I have no idea something so beautiful existed. And we have other things to go with all pretty thing. Okay. We have, oops, I dropped something. We have by Hem Midnight Bloom incense, and it's a boxed incense this time. So usually you get about 15 sticks. Yeah, 15 sticks. Midnight Bloom. We have White Willow is our herb. And the labels all match. Pretty. And then we have a pretty black star aura color. Ritual salts. This is Flora. And look how pretty the salts are. Flora Ritual Salts. These are just pretty. Very beautiful. And then we have a bubble here. I don't know. Puppy here or something. Hey, come on, in or out? Get out. In or out, doggy. Then we have a beautiful perfume oil here in a black bottle. This one also says Flora and the pretty label. Very pretty to match the label on the salts here. In or out, guys. And then we have pretty butterfly here. Really cool. And we have, we have two more. Ooh, I had these from my store. These are really cute. Seedy skull, handmade plantable paper skull. Isn't that cool? With a black skull. And it's for intermediate level gardeners. Soak skull in water overnight. Water prepared soil. Break the skull apart onto the soil and sprinkle a little dirt on top. Mix with water regularly. Eventually you may need to weed out some of the seedlings or switch to a larger pot to prevent them from becoming too crowded. But we have a beautiful plantable skull, which I've had these before, and these are cool. And then we have one more item in this bit. Ooh, this box. And it's in this pretty black sachet, tied with a perfect bow. Let's see. See what's in this baby. Yeah, let's see. All right. And here we have, all right, finally, we have a pretty bag of moss. And then we have this bag here, purple sachet tied with a perfect bow. And we have some, looks like a little pyramid of selenite, some guarding quartz, some aura quartzes, and another little tower. So you get this tower. We have this little pyramid, and then we got some aura and guarding quartzes in there. All right, let's find out about this beautiful box of lovely, and I can't, the paper, I don't know, I don't know how she does that, but it is truly amazing. Okay, so down the rabbit holds a Gothic Ostara. Love it. So, flora, bath salts, midnight bloom, incense sticks for the flora, perfume oil, the white willow, botanical, hand-rolled, beeswax candle, moss, mushroom skull, altar decor, paper butterfly, chipstones, purple aura quartz, and a quartz pyramid, skull seed bomb, goddess of spring art prints, Gothic rabbit art print, and an intuitively drawn tarot card. This month we celebrate Ostara, March 19th. The travel down the rabbit hole to see what treasures are buried among the thawing roots and soil. Ostara is also known as spring equinox and is a pagan solar holiday honoring the spring's warmth, light from the sun, and the awakening of the earth. Celebrations during this holiday themes of balance, renewal, and rebirth. The festival of the goddess Ostara and the goddess of fertility, whose animal symbol was the bunny, was celebrated during this time of year. The first mention of her was in the 8th century, where pagans held a feast for her on the full moon. One of the legends tells Ostara finding a bird wounded on the ground late in the winter season. To save its life, she transformed into a hare, but the transformation was not a complete one. The bird took the appearance of the hare, but retained the ability to lay eggs. The hare would have then decorated these eggs and left them as gifts to Ostara. So other goddesses associated with Ostara are Flora or Persephone. Symbols of Ostara are spring flowers, seeds, fairies, butterflies, rabbits, and eggs. Colors of Ostara are white, purple, pastel tones, and shades of green. Then it says ways to celebrate Ostara: decorating eggs, baking bread, arranging flowers, and of course, it goes into, on the second page, beautiful as well, of going over a ritual that you may use if you choose to do so, but you don't have to. So it starts off with the floral bath salts included in this month's box. This blend is a blend of Epsom salt, sea salt, dried lemon balm, and notes of orange blossom, tuberose, and sandalwood. Beautiful. Then the Midnight Bloom incense sticks. I mean, these smell really good. It's a blissful scent with underlying notes of musk, earth, and floral. It is wonderful. I went over the salts. Then the next thing is the perfume oil. Shake gently, of course, before using. This can be used in ceremony, ritual, on your altar tools, on your body, whatever you choose to do so. It is, I don't think it says here what it's made of. Yes, it does. I'm sorry. Notes of sandalwood, resin, tuberose, and orange blossom is this beauty. Then it goes into the white willow, which is this right here. This is good for its strength and flexibility, and we're also seen as metaphors for a path of spirituality. Used to dress your beeswax candle before burning to boost psychic abilities and influence. Other magical properties include fertility, dreams. Keep white willow bark under your pillow to enhance dreams. Then our hand-rolled beeswax candle. This candle is hand-rolled for spells designed to increase influence, confidence, and mastery in any situation. I don't know what it is made with besides beeswax, but it smells amazing. And they have information on purple candle magic right here. Then it goes into the moss. Used to decorate your mushroom skull statue or place in a shallow bowl with some crystals on your altar as offering. Moss is some of the oldest organisms that are still in existence. Its energy is very grounding and can be used on your altar as decoration or in spells of renewal, resilience, and abundance. Then we have this gorgeous, that I've never seen in my life, mushroom skull. Love it. We were so excited to be able to include this in this month's offering. Out of the spring soils blooms mushrooms in the matrix of a skull. A reminder that death is not the end. After the winter, there's always the promise of spring. As my father would say, energy doesn't die, it just changes forms. Made from cold cast resin and hand painted. I love this. Then, Gordon quartz, chipstones, purple ore quartz, and a quartz pyramid. Use the chipstones with the seed bomb and other crystals to decorate the moss included in this month's box. Included are Gordon quartz, chipstones, purple ore quartz, and quartz pyramid. Quartz pyramids have a balancing effect, helping to cleanse and restore harmony in your space. And I love this little bag of goodies. Then it has this beautiful baby here, skull seed bomb. Metaphorically, seeds have been used to describe abstract ideas and influences that grow in your minds and souls. Seeds represent ideas, inspiration, and potential. They contain the complete blueprint for the specific plant that they come from. Seeds are meant to spread and profilate the parent plant, carrying on generation after generation. All it takes is one seed, and over time that seed can multiply itself indefinitely, increasing the number every season. Use seeds magic to plant your intentions as plant grows. May your spell manifest. This guy, guys. Then it has a seed planting ritual. We have this cute little butterfly. And then our intuitively drawn card is from Beginner's Tarot. Beginner's Tarot. And then, of course, our beautiful art prints, which are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this box, like I always love her boxes. I'll leave your information about this box in the description below, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and have a blessed Ostara.